Stick to the plan, stick to the budget. May iiwasan nga ba ito? Kahit maayos yung mga plano natin, meron at meron pa ring changes. So regarding variation order, changes, or additional, may iiwasan nga ba ito? No! Sa lahat ng naging projects namin, laging may changes, laging may additional.
Even with proper planning?
Kahit maayos yung mga plano natin, meron at meron pa ring changes. Why? Kasi during the construction, dun palang nabivisual ng ating mga client ang kanilang mga gusto.
Paano maiwasan ang changes?
Stick to the plan, stick to the budget.
Safe ba ang mga changes during construction?
As long as hindi mako-compromise yung ating structural integrity, electrical, and other engineering trades, walang mag-a-arise na problem. Sa architectural, madalas nagkakaroon ng changes. And since architectural is mostly an aesthetic, wala siyang nagiging problem.
Lahat ba ay pwedeng baguhin?
Kung mako-compromise yung mga engineering trades na sinabi ko earlier, we will inform also the client kung ano yung pwede and hindi. So that's all for today. Remember, aral ngayon, winner bukas.